Here's how to recover deleted messages on your iPhone. If you accidentally deleted a text message and want to get it back, don't worry. I'll show you 2 ways to recover deleted messages on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, recover from recently deleted. Open the Messages app. Tap Filters in the top left corner. If you don't see filters, tap the back button first. Now tap Recently Deleted. You'll see messages that were deleted within the last 30 to 40 days. Select the conversation you want to restore, then tap Recover, or tap Recover All to restore every deleted message at once. If your deleted message isn't there, try the next method. Next, restore messages from iCloud. Open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Go to iCloud, then tap See All under Save to iCloud. Select Messages in iCloud. If Messages in iCloud is enabled, try turning it off. When prompted, tap Disable and download messages. Your iPhone will attempt to download any messages still stored in iCloud, and in some cases, this can restore messages that aren't currently on your device. And that's it. Those are 2 easy ways to recover deleted messages on your iPhone.